Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a test page from an Epson Stylus Photo R220. This is nice and simple, it can be done directly from the printer without the need of an attached PC or laptop. So to get started, we need the printer to be off. So press the power button if your machine's on and wait till the light stops flashing, which it has done now. And what we're going to do is hold down this paper feed/cancel button and turn on the printer with this button. Now once the printer's on, which we'll be able to tell by this light turning on, we can release this button, but we can only release the paper button once we can hear that the test page has started. So here we go. And release. Now sadly, this printer does have a severe issue with the printhead, so I can't show you what the test page looks like, but it should look something like the design shown on screen, with the 4 inks your printer uses represented in fine lines like you can see here. From here you should be able to tell where the issue lies, and if you notice a colour is missing, you can proceed doing some cleaning cycles, which we have a separate video for on our channel. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.